It was a rainy day. It was raining in torrents all day, and I had a holiday. I went out, me, rain, and with my umbrella. Often the evening comes down. When I go out, I was looking from the mirror. I can see the rain, cloud, and movement of the vehicles at the evening. All are going to their home. Walk towards the sea. People are running after office. Work is done. All the colors have come together into this rainy evening. The speed and color of life. I was there for a tea, and it was preparing. Everything was washed and fresh in the rain. Whole the pot was wet. We were moving towards the sea. The sea roared and crashed into the sand. I, my friend, and the umbrella are walking. Crying in the sky is like crying in the heart. Today I will speed all the trouble to this rain. It is the happiness of release the mechanical life that has been left behind. For a short period of time, we take it as life. This roar of the sea teaches me I am not one to this nature. I am just the slightest part. This nature will consume me one day when the soul is lost. He is informing us today. We are working for unknown purposes. It is unknown at this time what he will do after leaving the post. We still save for the future, but the future has nothing to say. At the end of the day, as an actor, we have to go back to this colorful life where no one knows what he wants, why he is living. We mix our words in this rain, all unspoken words, what we can't define to anybody. I cover my mistakes with an umbrella.